Hello, teacher. Hello, everyone. Day 2. My family. 1. I have a big family. 2. My father is a teacher. 3. My mother is a nurse. 4. I have 2 brothers. 5. We like playing sports together. 6. My sister loves painting. 7. I enjoy reading books. 8. We often watch movies at night. Thank you, everyone.